Hi everyone, Josie from Josie's Fun Kitchen. If you start hearing some noise in the background, it's my two kitty cats who are always coming into the kitchen when I am cooking, doing anything, because they want some treats. If you heard that, that's them running. Anyway, let's get down to it. If you ever have a day where you can't figure out what you want to make, and you don't want to spend a lot of time, pierogies are the way to go. And frozen pierogies are very easy to make. And then I keep running around. Anyway, so you're gonna need a saute pan or any type of large pan. I have this size because I like to make a lot of food, even though my boys are gone. With the lid, let's put that in there. But it's an all-clad copper core. It holds the heat very nicely and evenly. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need one onion, a yellow onion is fine, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, depending on how much garlic you like, and a box of frozen pierogies. Be the onion type. They're gonna have potatoes in it, or cheese, potato and cheese. You have a lot of different varieties. What you're gonna do is you're gonna slice up your onions, and you're gonna saute your onions and your garlic for just a few minutes first in a preheated pan that has olive oil in it, and I put some butter in there. I'd say about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the frozen pierogies are in there for a few minutes, you want to turn them very carefully so that they don't break apart, but you want them a little bit of, a little crispy and a little dark. You'll notice them. Full-leaded sour cream. You may end up using the whole thing, but I'd start out with about a half of the sour cream, dump it in there. Mix it up very carefully, and voila, salt and pepper to taste. Put it on your plate. It's not a beautiful presentation, but does it taste really good? And you can make a salad on the side. I personally like peas. So enjoy. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And below you can leave some comments, and that's where that subscribe button is. Thanks. See you next time.